Today we are going to discuss about the steam tables and Mollier chart. Okay. So in the previous lecture video series we have discussed about the properties of the steam. So how to find out the change in this variation of the parameters? If any parameter is changing, how to identify the other parameters? That we can go with the steam tables. Okay. So this is the steam tables. Okay. This is with the Mollier chart. So what is the purpose of steam tables and Mollier chart we are going to discuss. Okay. So this is the Mollier chart. Okay. So this is the Mollier chart. Okay. Can anyone come here? Sorry. Now here we are, our friends are there. Now Hariharan is here. Can you identify what is given in the x-axis in the Mollier diagram?
Specific entropy.
Specific entropy. Okay.
Disorder of system.
Okay. Specific entropy is given. Okay. Okay. What is given in the y-axis?
Specific enthalpy.
Everybody can view. What is given in the y-axis? Specific entropy. What is the unit of specific entropy?
Entropy is given in kilojoule by kg Kelvin.
What is the unit? Kilojoules per
Kg Kelvin.
kg Kelvin. This is the x-axis. What is given in the y-axis? Kilojoules per kilowatt. Because unit is very important. Okay. Now here there are many lines. Okay. Can you identify a thick black color line? Okay. Here there is a black color line. That is called as a saturation line. Okay. So all the lines corresponding to this is called as dryness fraction line. Okay. This curve is given as dryness fraction line. Okay. What is dryness fraction line? What is the purpose of dryness fraction? Can anyone tell me? What is the purpose of dryness fraction? To identify what? I told you that x is equal to some values. If it is meeting a value, then it is a type of steam.
X is 1, it is given as dry steam.
Very good. If x is 1, it is given as dry steam. Okay. Then what happens to the x when it is lesser? What is the type of steam?
Wet steam.
It is wet steam. Okay. So this black thick line, the value of x is given as 1. The value of x is given as 1. Here it is 1. So it denotes that it is an dry steam. The line is dry steam. Below this line it is wet steam. Above it may be superheated steam. So if you take another curve, you can see this value is 0.095, 0.09, 0.85. So these are given as dryness fraction line. If suppose the steam is not a wet steam, so it's not a dry steam, so the wet steam has to be indicated with the help of this dryness fraction line. Okay, so that is given as the value x is equal to 0.85 or 0.75 anything. Okay. Now here some lines are given at the topmost curves. Okay, that is temperature line. That is temperature line. Okay. Here, for example, you can see here this is 800 degrees Celsius. Here it is 750. Here this is 700. So all the lines which is horizontal are called as temperature lines. Okay. Now I clear. So this is temperature line, and lines are some lines are vertical. Slantingly there are some lines. What is the lines? That is specific volume. That lines are called as specific volume. Okay. So now what are the lines you have identified? You have identified temperature lines, you have identified some dryness fraction line, you have identified the specific volume line, and in the y-axis it is given as specific enthalpy, x-axis entropy. See here, the x-axis entropy, y-axis specific enthalpy, we are having a dryness fraction line, and then specific volume, and then temperature, and then we can see the pressure. This dotted line, near this dotted line there is an vertical lines, that is constant pressure lines. Totally how many properties can be identified? 6 properties we can identify. Now how to use this Mollier chart? For example, okay, some pressure is given. Pressure is given as 8 bar and temperature is given as 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to go for this pressure line. Okay, we have to identify this 8 bar. So here is the 8 bar line. We must identify this 8 bar line. What is the temperature? It is given as, for example, take 500 degree Celsius. Now this 500 degree Celsius line and this 8 bar line where it coincides, that is our point of the steam. That is the state of this steam. And identify by having two values, we can identify the state of a steam. After marking that point, from that particular point, if we draw a horizontal line on the left side, we can find out what is the specific enthalpy value. If we straightly draw a line, we can find out what is the value of specific entropy. Okay, and if you see which line, specific volume line coincides that particular point, that is specific volume. So this is the way by which we can find out the different values. So there are 6 properties. By knowing any 2 properties, we can identify the particular point and we can pick all other values. So this is the help of this is the use of this Mollier chart. Okay, thank you.